Well, hello, Math 7. Today we are on the lesson 2 in Unit 7, talking about area of circles. Okay. Major difference today is that when we are given the diameter, we have to turn it to radius. With circumference, you can do radius or diameter. With area, it has to be radius. All right, so how do we find the space inside of a circle? That is the question. Here it is. You take pi times the radius squared. Now remember, squared means times itself. So this is really pi r. Okay, it's not pi r times 2. Very big difference there. Okay, so let's take a look. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 3.2 centimeters, round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so to find the area, it's pretty simple. Take pi times 3.2 squared. Okay, so when you type it in, 3.2, there's a squared button right next to the 7 button there. See where it says x squared. Oh, my fingers are not working right. Times pi equals 31.16, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so 32.2. Don't forget to include your units. It's centimeters. And remember, area is squarea. So it's centimeters squared because two-dimensional. Okay, a lot of stuff we do before that is distance. That's one-dimensional. You're going one direction, whereas area goes two direction. It expands out. So let's see, what do you do? We're on the bottom of 625 with this one. So the bottom of a circular swimming pool has a diameter. So when we're given the diameter of 30, we have to chop it in half to get to the radius. Remember, diameter is double the radius, and radius is half the diameter. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So when we do this one, area equals pi times 15 squared. I know 15 squared is 225 times pi. You can use 3.14 instead of the pi button. Just like before. Same thing. Oh, it just says how many square feet. So let's round to the whole. 707 feet squared. You can write square feet instead if you prefer, especially if you don't have access to an exponent on like a test or a quiz. Now, what do you do for semicircles? All right, just think about logically. Semicircle is half a circle. So all you have to do is find the same area and just chop it in half. Take a half. Same with quarter circles. You divide by 4. So on and so on. If you want 3/4 of a circle, you multiply by 3/4 instead of a half, because 3 parts out of 4. Find the approximate area of a semicircle with a radius of 6. Okay, so here we're going to go find the area of a regular circle. 6 squared is 36. 36 times pi is 113. Now, I rounded that. We want a semicircle, so it's half a circle. You can include the half right up here like they do. I prefer just to get the regular circle divided by 2. Okay, and you get 56.5. You could say 57 if you want. Centimeters squared. Because remember, its area is squarea. All right, that's it for today. How to find with a radius, with a diameter, how to find it with a half circle. You can do it for a quarter, 3/4, whatever kind of circle. If you have any questions, see me in class, message me on Canvas or email, and do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson. I know you can do it. Talk to you soon.